Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat plantar fasciitis. Whether you're someone who's extremely active, like a weekend warrior, or simply someone on their feet every day in support of your family, we can all experience plantar fasciitis at one time or another. Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief and alleviate the foot pain that can be debilitating at times. So here's what you're going to do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the standard ball for the foot when treating plantar fasciitis, but you can choose whichever one you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize usage to our own needs. A cone will provide the maximum intensity here. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding the power button, then set your treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while treating your feet. If standing, I recommend the base grip, since it will give you the furthest reach without altering your balance if you have any issues bending over. If you're seated, I'd go with the reverse grip for the control it allows you to move slowly and methodically along the foot. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun and finding the relief you're looking for. Start by treating the shins, peroneals, and your calf muscles for 30 seconds to a minute. The idea is to warm up the tissue, then move to the bottom of the foot for another 30 seconds, treating all 3 arches, around the heel, around the ball of the foot, and then spend some time on the arch. When you're done, gently stretch the foot and all the other muscles you just treated. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.